Are you wondering what is this black thing on the top of your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max screen, and why we actually have such massive like black bar thing over here? So see, compared to Android phones, so the camera obviously is absolutely tiny, but on this thing, it's absolutely crazy massive. So if you actually look up close, so you see you also have like the selfie camera here, but the other part actually is a Face ID scanner over here. So if you zoom in, so you see how absolutely massive this thing is. So again, there's really no way how to, I guess, for Apple to provide you this excellent Face ID scanner basically without having this sensor over there. So that is the main reason why it's still there. So essentially, if we go in the settings, so Face ID and passcode, so you see you can set up the Face ID over here, and basically every time you show your face to this phone, it will scan you to unlock the screen. Also you see like the sensor is flashing here, like the purple thing. So again, in the real life you can't see it, only in the camera you can see it. So that is maybe some kind of depth sensor or a laser or something like that, that's essentially scanning all the time your face. And also what's absolutely awesome compared to like Android phones, this can also work in complete darkness as well. On Android phones you obviously need light to unlock, but this better system obviously works in the dark as well. Also obviously we can use it as like a dynamic thing as well. For example, let me set a timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 6 minutes.
6 minutes, counting down.
So you see, once we set a timer, also you see how it utilize also this area over here. For example, we can quickly tap on it to return and do stuff like that. Anyway, go like.